it's the Orange Guy 1000 here. As you can see, today we're not playing Minecraft or Crossy Road. Today we are showing off one of the programs that I've built in Python. So this program, I call it the Erin Hunter Book Chooser. This program, sorry, just trying to think of what the words here. Yeah, this program lists the Erin Hunter books, so the books written by the author Erin Hunter. It's actually a group of authors, and what you do is you choose your favorite animal, and then it gives you the book that you should read based on your favorite animal, because all the Erin Hunter books are either about cats, bears, or dogs. So let's read a little bit of the program. Welcome to the Erin Hunter Book Chooser. Please select your favorite animal below, and the app will select your favorite Erin Hunter authored book. You can visit the website link displayed to learn more afterwards. So we'll go through each of them. So we'll start with cats. Choose. Your Erin Hunter book selection is Warriors by Erin Hunter. Visit warriorscats.com for more information. Okay. Bears. Your Erin Hunter book selection is Seekers by Erin Hunter. Visit seekersbears.com for more information. And the last one, dogs. Your Erin Hunter book selection is Survivors by Erin Hunter. Visit survivorsdogs.com for more information. Yeah, so you could probably guess what that was. If you haven't read the Erin Hunter books, you probably should. They're really good books. Yeah, and so right after this, we're going to take a look at the code. So here we are now looking at the code that runs the Erin Hunter Book Chooser. So we'll go through it. This is, remember, written in Python 3.5. So if you don't have that, you can get that from python.org. So up here, this code right here, this code tells us that we need to import the Tinctor module, and then which runs GUIs. And this one tells that the message boxes that Tinctor creates, we need to import and call them box. So this statement here, window equals TK, that makes a window. This window title here, this titles the window. As you could see when we ran the program, the title of the window was Erin Hunter Book Chooser. As you can see up here with a little bit extra because this is the py file. Here is the label. This is that big blurb at the very front. As you can see, we've styled it in the Architect's Daughter font, one of my personal favorites. Size 11 and normal, which means no bold, no underline. And then right here, text equals gives me all the text right here. Then we have label pack here, which packs the label in the place that we want it to be. Then here we create a frame to put these radio buttons in. And then this string variable here, as you can see, each one of these radio buttons, radio 1, each has a name, and in the Architect's Daughter font, of course, cats, bears, dogs. As you can see, it has a book here. That means that it's going to have a string, which is a sequence of words, and that's going to be what gets displayed. And when we clicked on these ones and then said choose, of course it popped up with a box, and then this is what was said in the box. Warriors by Erin Hunter for cats, Seekers by Erin Hunter for bears, and Survivors by Erin Hunter for dogs. So we put that in there automatically. Then this one right here, radio_1.select, make sure that radio button number 1 automatically gets selected. Now, down here, def dialog. So when you click this and then you press the button, the choose button, it goes to the command dialog, which is the command that's right here, def dialog. Def stands for command or function. And then it does this command. So it makes a box.showInfo, which is why we called the import here. And then Erin Hunter book selection is, and then it goes your Erin Hunter book selection is blah, 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 based on what you chose. So if you chose dogs, it would say Survivors. If you chose bears, it would say Seekers. And if you chose cats, it would say Warriors. And then right here, this packs the frame and all the other stuff. So we pack it to the right, and then we want the buttons all to be on the left, and then the frame, which is where we put it in the window. And this right here, window main loop, tells the window that it needs to tells it that it actually needs to create a window. So thanks for watching this episode overviewing one of my programs. Remember, you can go online and you can download these programs on GitHub at https://github.com/dog-face-development/Erin-Hunter-book-chooser. There'll be a link in the description. Yeah, so thanks for watching. This is the Orange Guy 1000 signing out.
And that's all, folks.